We all know anatomy, perspective, and color theory are some things that separate the men from the boys. But some under-the-radar skills can make your art unforgettable. And these days, some skills tend to get lost in the sauce. Let's break down 3 art skills you should master if you want to go pro. Every piece tells a story, and how you guide the viewer's eye is key. Balance detail and calm, use gesture and lighting to lead the eye, and make every element purposeful. And The Raft of Medusa by Jarrett Holt. That's the perfect example of a chaotic work where none of the details get lost because of the flow. And number 2 is composition psychology. Composition isn't just rules, it's perception. Focal points, visual weight, leading lines, and negative space shape how people see your work. The School of Athens by Raphael creates depth and uses perspective in a way that lets you know who the most influential figures are, and the hierarchy and lines draw the eye to key figures across the image. Number 3 is symbolism and visual language. Colors, objects, and motifs can communicate meaning beyond the literal. The Ambassadors by Hans Holbein is a painting where every object tells a story, and this forces the viewer to dig deeper into the meaning, and that makes the painting almost interactive. In closing, flashy skills do matter, but storytelling, flow, composition, and symbolism are what make your art unforgettable. I hope you guys found some use in today's video, and if you haven't implemented some of these strategies, I hope you can take something away from this video and start applying it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.